What are some common pitfalls that you should avoid? First things first, please, please, please. I know it's very easy. Social media is such a great influencer, but avoid chasing trends. If your friend says this is happening or this is happening, if there is not real due diligence to support that claim, brother, ew, avoid it. Don't overreact to market volatility. When you see the market going crazy, remember that chart I just showed you. Remember that time in the market far exceeds timing the market. Make sure you have a diversified portfolio. Don't say, oh, because I hear AI is all over the place and everybody's talking about AI, I'm going to put all my money in only AI companies. Don't do that. Don't be that person.